Are you ready to unlock the secrets of manifestation and transform your life? Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey as we delve into the profound teachings of Neville Goddard, a true pioneer in the field of spiritual development. Hey there, my friends. Welcome back to your favorite channel. And to all our newcomers, a warm and enthusiastic welcome to our incredible community. Here, we create awe-inspiring and motivational videos rooted in the timeless teachings of Neville Goddard. In this mind-bending video, we will unveil the powerful manifestation techniques that Neville Goddard imparted to the world. Get ready to discover how visualization, affirmations, and meditation can unleash the immense potential within you, allowing you to manifest your desires and become your best self. But that's not all. We will explore the hidden realms of self-talk and inner conversations, unlocking the true power of manifestation that lies deep within your subconscious mind. Brace yourself for mind-boggling revelations and strategies that will forever change the course of your life. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover the mysteries of the law of assumption and the law of attraction, two cosmic forces that shape the very fabric of our reality. Learn how to harness these universal laws, align yourself with your desires, and magnetize your dreams into existence. By the end of this mind-altering video, you will possess a profound understanding of Neville Goddard's teachings and the transformative power they hold. You will be equipped with the knowledge and tools to apply these principles in your own life, manifesting a reality beyond your wildest dreams. But hold on tight. This journey is not for the faint-hearted. The road to manifesting your desires is riddled with obstacles and challenges. Only the truly committed will reap the rewards. So, my friend, if you're ready to unlock your inner power, manifest your dreams, and embark on a life-altering transformation, then I urge you to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Stay till the end of this video to uncover the mind-blowing revelations that await you. Get ready to unleash the extraordinary power that lies within you. Buckle up, subscribe, and let's dive into the profound teachings of Neville Goddard. Your life will never be the same again. And remember, this is just the beginning. Don't miss out on future videos where we delve even deeper into the secrets of manifestation and personal growth. Subscribe now and prepare yourself for a journey that will change everything. The time is now. The power is within you. Stay tuned till the end and let the magic unfold. Welcome to a world where dreams become reality. Welcome to the realm of Neville Goddard's teachings. Let's begin. First, let's talk about visualization. Visualizing the desired outcome and accepting it as a certainty instead of getting caught up in the process is key. This means thinking from the end and assuming that what you want has already happened. Visualize it as if it were real. You can also use affirmations to reinforce these visualizations. For example, imagine yourself in an ideal situation that you are trying to manifest. Picture every detail until it feels real. Then speak out loud or internally say, I am. The next step is closely monitoring inner speech. Ask yourself empowering questions such as, what would my inner conversation sound like if I were already who I aspire to be? Self-talk has tremendous power, so be mindful of both positive and negative conversations with yourself throughout your day-to-day activities. Prioritize goals and desires. Focus on improving oneself instead of comparing to others. Avoid dwelling on negative conversations and treat positive ones as the voice of the new version of yourself that will come into being soon enough. Lastly, meditation plays a vital role in unlocking Neville Goddard's manifestation techniques. Allowing one's conscious mind to pause while giving space for creative thought processes like visualization or self-talk leads us closer to our desired outcome quicker than ever before. So try out some meditation sessions today. Even just 5 minutes each day can make a huge difference over time for creating positive change within ourselves. Unlocking the power of inner talking and exploring Neville Goddard's manifestation techniques can be a powerful tool for manifesting positivity and success in life. Negative thoughts and conversations can have a detrimental effect on our well-being, so it is important to take immediate action to shift our focus towards positivity. Allocating at least 5 minutes each day for inner conversation that affirms our worth and desires is beneficial to our mental health as well as manifesting success. Viewing the world through a lens of success means visualizing ourselves as successful, radiating vibrations of fulfillment that will attract abundance into our lives. This positive mindset is essential when utilizing Neville Goddard's teachings on manifestation, which involve transforming life from within one's own mind. Avoid negative influences and instead, surround yourself with those who support your aspirations to stay motivated in efforts towards achieving goals. It is also important to monitor words spoken in inner dialogue. They possess the potential to shape reality if used correctly, replacing self-doubt with affirmations of self-worth that will help manifest desired outcomes. Finally, embracing moments of failure or misstep is a helpful opportunity for growth rather than seeing them as misfortune. Learning from mistakes while maintaining an optimistic outlook will lead you closer to realizing goals by using Neville Goddard's powerful teachings on manifestation techniques. Congratulations, my friend. You've reached the end of this mind-expanding journey of manifestation and self-transformation with Neville Goddard's powerful teachings. Now that you possess the knowledge, it's time to take action and unlock the incredible power of inner talking. Remember, through the practice of visualization, monitoring your inner conversations, and cultivating a consistent meditation practice, you have the ability to reshape your reality from within. Embrace the power of positive affirmations and watch as they propel you closer to the success and abundance you seek. So, my friend, don't hesitate any longer. It's time to step into your power and create a better version of yourself by harnessing the transformative power of inner talking. Your dreams await, and the universe is ready to conspire in your favor. Before we part ways, I want to extend my sincerest blessings to you. May the divine energy within you guide your every step and shower you with boundless blessings. Remember, you are capable of achieving greatness, and with the power of manifestation coupled with a relentless belief in yourself, there are no limits to what you can accomplish. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the empowering content that lies ahead. Your manifestation journey has just begun, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Now, my friend, go forth, take action, and watch as your life transforms. Embrace the power of inner talking, trust in your ability to manifest, and let your dreams unfold before your very eyes. May you be blessed with endless abundance, love, and success. May your journey be filled with joy, growth, and fulfillment. Remember, the power lies within you. Now go out there and manifest the extraordinary life you deserve. With gratitude and blessings, until we meet again on this remarkable path of self-discovery and manifestation. God bless you and your family.